So we're driving around, headed to Wellman for a few groceries, and then somebody's LP tank is out in the field here. We're right outside Wellman, and there's a couple houses that got, unfortunately, they lost their homes. One got the heck torn out of it. There's one of the houses that got destroyed. And there's one over there where those folks are standing. Way back there where those trees are stripped. I don't know if you can see them. These folks are just trying to pick up their lives again. Farm equipment mangled. And, oh my gosh. There's debris all over here. These folks' homes. And, oh my gosh, my heart feels it's broken for them. House is gone. Top part of the house is gone. The basement survived. And we have power line down. More debris. There's a place back there. I don't know, folks are. It just got tore the heck up. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but can't zoom. But those poor folks. Trees down everywhere. Just stuff everywhere. Two houses here, that one there and that one there that got destroyed. I wonder if family, father, son kind of thing. Look at that SUV. It just got tore up. Yeah, well there's somebody's LP tank out in the middle of the field. That's a 500-gallon tank. So we have a street sign there that's pretty much flat with the highway. And then over there, I don't know if you can make it out, but those grain bins are just folded like a origami.